how can businesses use social media and video to market their business?
Man, there's so many ways. I mean, you and I, if you go to one of these conferences like we went to, and I talked to 3-4 people in a little group, that's networking. There's a potential customer, there's a potential partner, there's a potential just colleague, whatever. You're just doing that at scale with social media. You're putting content on LinkedIn, you're putting it out there, you're going to reach a new audience, and it's likely going to find people. If you can stay on topic, on task, it's likely going to find the right people. So you're not, it filters it out for you. I think that if you can identify like just what is your objective with social media, if you know what you want out of it, then you can make that content. You can justify a lot of the effort because it's definitely an investment of time, resources, like money. If you can't create it yourself, you're going to hire someone, and it's not cheap because the stuff is technical. The equipment's expensive. But if like in your analogy, for example, where like the mundane stuff is boring to you, because I don't listen to beginner photography tips or something. I listen to your podcast and really technical stuff. I want to know where AI is headed. I want to listen to very technical things. So all day we're spending time around really intelligent people virtually, like in podcasts. And so you feel stupid all the time. I always feel like I'm the stupidest person with the headphones in the room, whatever, because I want to listen to the smartest people. Well, there's a lot of people that are not in that same room, or they're not listening to the same podcast. They haven't heard all the things you have. Like you said, it's like everyone knows this. It's like, no, most people don't have the time. They have their own stresses, their own job, their family. They're not probably as obsessive as we might be on some of these topics.
Yeah.
And so you can you can definitely think that it's not interesting to other folks, but someone is at that intro stage. Because like you said on the tutorial thing, I remember when I was trying to make music like 10 years ago when I first started getting into like editing, and I couldn't figure out why my guitar sounded so terrible. Because I was like, I'm recording, what's going on? I had no idea that you needed a quality of mic. I was just using the mic on the laptop thinking it was going to sound like John Mayer or something, I was like, why does it sound so bad? But that was me. I'm that guy. Now I got 20 mics laying around for different things. And back then I didn't know why something didn't. So somebody is at that stage. And if you know who you're trying to reach, you can start justifying it. Like if I'm an expert person and I'm sharing my expertise, am I trying to get new patients? If I'm something in medical or a personal trainer, like clients, do I just want to sound like a domain expert? Am I trying to go B2B? How technical do I want to be on something? So you just got to know, who am I targeting? And even if it is semi-beginner, it still can be meeting someone where they're at based on who the clientele is you're going. It could be recruiting. Like for Drafter, for our company, like we're going after freelancers. So our content's actually going to be all about the creator economy. How do you build money, build a business, get clients, organize things, build certain types of pieces of content? Not because we want new customers. Users and customers are kind of the same thing. But I mean, we're not trying to get clients for the agency so much as we're trying to empower other freelancers with our software. So you just have to know who you're trying to attract and why you're trying to attract them, and then just try to provide as much value as possible.